Hi students, welcome to my channel Excellent Ideas in Education. Today we are going to solve this case study application of trigonometry problem. The Statue of Unity situated in Gujarat is the world's largest statue which stands over a 58-meter high base. This is the largest statue. This base height is given as 58 meters. As part of the project, a student constructed an inclinometer and wishes to find the height of Statue of Unity using it. He noted following observations from two places. Situation 1. The angle of elevation of the top of a statue from place A, which is 80 root 3 meter away from the base of the statue, is found to be 60 degree. Place A, this is the statue A, 80 root 3 meter away from the base of the statue. So here is from center line to here is 80 root 3 meter. Angle of elevation of the top of a statue. So this is the top of the statue. From place A is, this angle is 60 degree. Join the line. So this is 90 degree. Next, situation 2. The angle of elevation of the top of a statue from a place B. This is place B, which is 40 meter above the ground. So this box, this is given as 40 meter. Is found to be 30 degree and entire height of the statue including the base is found to be 240. So entire height of the base means from the ground, is given as 240 meter. You see here including the base. So this is the base 1. So including means this is also included. From top to ground is 240 meter. Above the ground is to be 30 degrees. So above the ground means here. So from here to here the angle of elevation is given as 30 degree. From here to here, not ground. Based on given information, answer the following questions. First question what they asked, represent the situation 1 with the help of a diagram. First question, see the situation 1. Situation 1, what is given? The angle of elevation of the top of a statue from place A. So this is the situation 1. Place A, which is 80 root 3 meter away from the base of the statue, is found to be 60 degree. Now we will draw the drawing. Here is A, here is 90 degree. This one we will take it as R. This one we will take it as S. So it's given as 60 degree, 80 root 3 meter away from the base. So from here to here is 80 root 3 meter. This is the first question answer. Second question, represent the situation 2 with the help of a diagram. Situation 2 is this one, place B. So this is the place B, which is 40 meter above the ground. So you see 40 meter above the ground is found to be 30 degree and the entire height of the statue including the base is found to be 240 meter. Now we will draw situation 2 drawing. The height of the statue is given as 240 meter. The base height is given as 58 meter. Here is B. So B base height is given as 40 meter. From here to here is, this angle is given as 30 degree. This is the ground. This is B. This is R. This one we will take it as T. Here is S. This one is C. I will draw the drawing again. So we will join this line here. This one we will take it as X. Here is 30 degree. So this base height is given as 40 meter. So we will join here also. This one is 90 degree. This one we will take it as X. This point is R. This height is given as, including base is 240 meter. This is 40, this is 240 meter. This one we will take it as B. Is given in the question B. This is the situation 2 drawing. Next up, third question A. Calculate the height of statue excluding the base and also find the height including the base with the help of situation 1. Situation 1, you see top of statue from place A. So this is the situation 1. draw the line. This center we will take, join the line. This is the angle of elevation. The height of statue. So this height we need to find excluding the base. This base we need to exclude. This base height is given as 58 meter. We need to omit this height. So we need to find from here to this distance. This one we know, situation 1 is given as 60 degree. This length also we know is given as 80 root 3 meter. Angle opposite, this is opposite. Biggest side is hypotenuse, another side is adjacent. I will draw the drawing again here. This is base height is 58 meter. We need to exclude this one. We need to find this height. This is given as 60 degree. Here is A. Here we will take it as S. This one is T. This one is R. This length we know already given in the question, 80 root 3 meter. Angle opposite, this is opposite. Biggest side is hypotenuse. Another side is adjacent. Consider the right angle triangle ASR. Tan 60 degrees equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite is RS divided by adjacent is AS equal to RS we need to find divided by AS value is 8 root 3. Tan 60 degrees root 3 cross root 3 into 80 root 3 is equal to RS. 80 into root 3 is 3 equal to RS. 80 into 3 is 240 is equal to RS. RS value is 240 meter. Height of the statue including the base. So including the base value is 240 meter. Height of the statue excluding the base means 240 minus this value is 58 equal to 182 meter. This is the answer, 182 meter. Next, third question B. Find the horizontal distance of point B. Point B is, this is point B. Situation 2. You see the situation 2. From the statue and the angle of tan alpha, where alpha is the angle of elevation of top of base of the statue from point B. I will draw the drawing again. This is the height from here to here. So this angle is given as 30 degree. I will draw the drawing here. So biggest statue is given as 58 meter. This is the ground line. So here is given as 40 meter. This is statue B. This is the center line. We will join the line from here to here B. This is given as 30 degree. This height is given as 240 meter. This is R. Here is B. This one we will take it as T. What we need to find in this question, horizontal distance of point B. This is the horizontal distance. This distance we need to find from the statue and the value of tan alpha. So value of tan alpha means from this point. This height is 58, right? This is 40, right? So we will join this line here. This is the alpha value. I will draw here. Here is alpha. So this is 30 degree. So this height is 58 minus 40 is, this is 18 meter. This value we need to find. After that we will calculate tan alpha value. This is yes. This one we will take it as x. I will draw the drawing again here. R, B, X. This angle is given as 30 degree. Here is 90 degree. So this value we need to find. This height is 200 meter. You see this height is 40 meter. This is 240 meter. 240 minus 40. This is 200 meter. Now we will calculate angle opposite. This is opposite. Bigger side is hypotenuse. Another side is adjacent. Tan 30 degree is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite is Rx divided by adjacent is XB. Rx value is 200. XB value only we need to calculate. Tan 30 degree value is 1 by root 3. Cross this and this. XB is equal to 200 root 3 meter. Now we got this value as 200 root 3 meter. Now we will calculate this alpha value. This value now only we got 200 root 3 meter. This one we will write it as 200 root 3 meter. Here is X, this is T, here is B. Next, angle, this angle only we will calculate, right? Alpha, angle opposite, this is opposite, bigger side is hypotenuse, another side is adjacent. I will draw here this drawing. This is angle alpha, X, B, T. This value is 18 meter, this value is 200 root 3 meter. Angle opposite, this is opposite, bigger side is hypotenuse, another side is adjacent. Tan alpha is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite is Tx divided by adjacent is Xb. Tx value is 18 divided by Xb value is 200 root 3. I will write it here. Tan alpha is equal to 18 divided by 200 root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Tan alpha is equal to 18 root 3 divided by 200 into 3. 1 3s are 3, 6 3s are 18. 2 3s are 6, 1 2s are 2. 100 equal to 3 root 3 divided by 100. Tan alpha value is 3 root 3 divided by 100. This is the answer. Thanks for watching this video.